Alright, so here we are. We got the little plant here sitting in front of my garage door. So what you'll need yourself a nice pot and some soil. I have a bunch of soil right over here, which I'm going to throw in. You want to get that ready first, like you want to dose it down. A little bit of water. Get it all moist. Yep, that's the word of the century. Alright. You put that off to the side there. What I'm going to do here. Clear the area. Find out exactly where it's growing out of. As you can see there, I'll move this over a little bit. We're actually right on patio stone. So, let's get this back in order. Now, what I'm going to do is wash away a bit more of the dirt here. Find out exactly where the roots are. As you can see, I'm exposing a bit of the roots here. Trying to get more and more of the dirt. Now, what I didn't want to do is I didn't want to dig at it. Being so close to the patio stone, I didn't want to rip any of the rooting system out of it. You can see it's gone pretty down. I can replace that dirt anytime. Which as you see, closer and closer. Exposing the root. Alright. See here? And slowly pull it up. See, the rooting system in this is pretty amazing. So what I would have done if I would have just dug at it is I would have hurt it. So there we go. Last round pull. There we go. See. It's all tangled up in this. And there you go. So I saved most of it. And now I'm gonna transplant that into here. So what you want to do is you want to pull all of this back, loosen it up a bit. Finger. Take the plant. I'm gonna open it up a little bit more, and slowly push the dirt in around it. As you can see, if we do that correctly, the plant will stand up correctly on its own. Now I am going to get probably a popsicle stick and some pipe cleaner and hold it up a little bit. But yeah, You ever find that there's a little marijuana plant growing anywhere near the patio stone or in and around the patio stone? You can use the water, wash away all the dirt, expose the roots a bit, and yeah, see what you can do from there. Alright, I guess that's about all I gotta say. Alright, have yourselves a good day. Alright, bye.